Assessment and Learning 2 and Children Adolescent Literature. Ma'am Danica Grace Baggy, my professor. My topic is Global Filipino Educator Innovation Project. I'm Rochelle B. Cueto, PSCD, major in English 2, SC24, Padre Burgos, OFW, Lebanon. Global Filipino Educator Innovation Project. Good morning, everyone. I'm honored to present my integrated final project, the Global Filipino Educator Innovation Project. This project represents the intersection of two vital fields, assessment learning 2, and children and adolescent literature. My goal is simple yet ambitious to redefine how we assess Filipino learners, ensuring they are globally competitive while remaining deeply rooted in our unique culture identity. Philosophy, what does means to be a global Filipino educator? It means having the global mindset, adhering to international standard of excellence, while maintaining the Filipino heart. We must move away from the traditional pencil and paper mindset. Authentic assessment. Design tasks that mirror real world challenges by using literature as our primary catalyst. We are just teaching reading, we are teaching empathy, resilience, and critical learning. Context is everything. Research show that Filipino students English more deeply when they see themselves and the curriculum my project emphasizes. Culturally responsive learning. By assisting through the learn or local narratives, we bridge the gaps between a child home like in the classroom, fostering a sense of social empathy and cultural identity that is essential in a globalized world. Outcome-based plan. Let's look at the mechanics and the outcome-based assessment plan. You will see strict alignment. For example, our outcome of critical literacy analysis is painted with objectives that force a student to tackle moral dilemmas. It is a Filipino pro or adolescent fiction. Every assessment is directly mapped to national curriculum standards and higher ethics. This ensures that our grades are just numbers, that they are evidence of master competencies. Innovative assessment design. So what does innovation look? Here are my 3 core outputs. First, interactive journal. Interact. Instead of summary, student write as the character. Second, the reader's theater. A performance-based where collaboration and voice the center stage. Third, original story of mapping. These tasks are designed to be authentic in teaching and measurable, taught clear, diagnose rubrics. Next is technology and integration. Technology and integration. Innovation requires technology, but not just for the sake of gadgets. We focus on accessibility. My teaching integrated tools provides real-time feedback and gamified elements. Clinically, this model is designed to bridge the original divide by utilizing cloud-based portfolio and flexible platform. We ensure that even students in remote areas can participate in high-level digital assessment. HATS integration. Bloom taxonomy is our foundation, but we aim for the field. Metacognition. Our assessment push students towards higher owner thinking skills. HATS, we ask why and how would you change this rather than who or where. This shift from the memorization to synthesis is what prepare and Filipino student complete in the international workforce. Next is universal design for learning. A global educator find a way even where the sign is low. My model is adaptable in a higher tech blended classroom. We use Lime's platform in the resource limited moral areas. We utilize localized printed modules. The assessment standard remain global, but the delivery remains accessible. Inclusion is not negotiable. Next is community and contribution. The contribution. This project doesn't end the classroom door by accessing literature through social justice. We are training ethical decision making. We want students who graduate to be culturally highlights and ready to collaborate. Globally, this is about social transformation using education to build a more empathetic and literature Philippines. Next is impact and metrics. Impact and metrics. The number tell a story. We project an 85% implement in HATS. Performance in a 100% inclusion rates. By focusing on evidence-based innovation, we are targeting in systemic gaps in reading comprehension that have been highlighted in international assessment use PISA reflection. Finally, I return to the core question. What kind of educator do I want to become? I want to be an educator who doesn't just grade tests, but is number hearts. I want to be a bridge that allow my students to walk from their local barangay and into the global stage with confidence, literacy, and strong sense of self. Next is